Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anastahiri bin Muhammad Anwar. I will be representing my team for our assignment for video for our project Homestay Reservation System for Introduction to Software Engineering subject. Now, for a heads up, we are using Wix to make our use case website. So it doesn't exactly have the full features of what our use case is supposed to have. So bear with me as I try to explain this use case to my best abilities. Now, the use case that we are trying to represent here is for our reserve homestay use case, where the objective is to allow customer to make homestay reservations. Now, as you can see, we are at the home page here where it has all the details and information about the homestay system. So, for the first step, if our customer wants to say reserve a homestay, they will first input their check in and check out date. Say we try April 30th, 2017. And for the checkout, we will try May 1st. And we'll try with two adults and click search. And the system will display options based on the user input. Now, here there will be one exception flow where say there is no options available. The system will display a no options available message, and the user can simply go back to home in order to re-input the selections and find a more suitable date. Now, going back to the options list. Now here, if say user picks one of the new display options, the system will redirect to the details page. Now here, and then there will be two options here. For the main option, the user will click reserve, or the second option, the user wants to go back to the options list. There will be an alternate flow where the user wants to return to previous page, also the option known as the options page. So they simply have to press the either the home button or the back button, and the system will redirect back to the options page. Now, for as afterwards, if proceeding on with the user action, say the user clicks reserve, the system would have displayed a reservation form. Now, say for this, there is an a second alternate flow here where the user wants to cancel the reservation. So if the user wants to cancel reservation, the user would press a cancel button, which would probably be displayed somewhere around here. And the system would pop up a message to confirm cancellation. And if the user clicks yes, the system would redirect the user back to the home page to remake the selection. Moving onwards, once the user has already clicked reserve, the system would display a form for the user to enter their personal and banking details such as name, age, contact number, email, and etc. Here there will be another alternate flow where either the system redirects to payment invoice page or the user wants to cancel reservation again. So meaning that there would be two times where the user can cancel reservation, and this alternate flow would be the same as the previous cancel reservation alternate flow. So if the system once the system redirects to the payment invoice page, so the user confirms the reservation payment, the system would connect to user affiliated bank system, and the system would confirm whether the transaction is successful or not. Here there would be two exception flows where either the banking details is incorrect or the transaction was unsuccessful. If the banking details was incorrect, the system would pop up a message error banking details incorrect. The system would reload the reservation form and would clear the banking details portion of the reservation form. Now, for the case of the transaction is unsuccessful, the system would pop up a message saying error, transaction unsuccessful, and system redirects user to the affiliated bank system for details. Now, once all of that is done, the post conditions for this use case would be the system would show a printable receipt. System would send the user a receipt copy to the user's email. The homestay owner would be notified, and the homestay availability, which is inside the system, would be updated. Now, we can't exactly show most of it here because weeks for us to do that, we had to go for a premium account on weeks, and unfortunately, we do not have the funds to do so. So, I thank you for watching, and I would like to give a shout out and thanks to my teammates, Zharif and Wafi, for helping in completing this use case website where also I could give a commentary video. And again, I thank you so much for watching. This has been Anastairi Bung Anwar for my to representing my team. Take care.